How to screen record the restricted apps? To do that, first of all, go on the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. After going on the Google Play Store of your phone, you will see an interface like this. On the top search bar, just search for Screenshot Touch, and when you search for it, you will see an app. So I've already installed the app on my device, so it does not show me the option of install it. But if you have this option, then you can just click on install and it will be installed in your phone. So after installing this app on your phone, just click on it and then you will see your screen like this. So you should just follow everything and you can take the screenshot, or you can even record the videos of any apps you would want to. After following everything, you can even give the permission to screen record the restricted apps, and just like that, yes, you can even screenshot and screen record everything. So this is the application which will help you to do that. So I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then thumbs up and subscribe our channel.